In the middle of a mega dump today, guys, and it's a dump that we've been expecting. So in today's video, we're going to go and check out Bitcoin, we're going to go and check out the alts, but we're also going to go and check out JASMY. I gave all of you guys a long zone last week, so we're going to go and find out if it's time to be picking... What? I gave all of you guys a long zone in the last video, so we're going to go and find out where exactly we are. But before we do get into that, guys, make sure all of you pause the video, go and smash that like button. Drop me a sub if you want to support the channel. Let's get it. Now, I know it can be hard to see red days, guys, especially when the halving was months ago and many of you guys were expecting us to be like up only season after the halving. But we do know that we still have key events coming up, guys. We've got the ETH ETF going live very, very soon. And it looks like big whale addresses are starting to sell their Bitcoin. And is that in preparation of deploying it into ETH? Now, I actually shared this with the members club this morning, guys, and look, we're in a correction right now, guys, and we're in a range. Now, as much as it can be hard to endure the choppiness for not only Bitcoin, not ETH, but a lot of our alts as well, we're still printing a macro bull flag, guys. We said that we're looking for 59k, and when 59k comes, we're not going to be surprised because it's the bottom area of the range. If we open this up here, you can see that we're getting towards 59k, guys. Okay, so while people are going to say that it's bearish, and I'm getting comments saying that we're going to 40k, until we lose this flag, I can't be too bearish yet, guys. And the longer that we do print this macro bull flag, the bigger the next leg for Bitcoin, for ETH, and for all of our alts is going to be, guys. Now, when we come to coin market cap, guys, look, we're starting to dip down on the fear and greed index. We were like above 50, we were 60 last week. Now we're in the lower areas of neutral, so 49. Do you think a dip below 60 could bring us into the fear again? And if we do start to head into the fear again, then I'm going to say, right, this is a green flag to be picking up as many blue chip alts as possible. That's what myself and the members club will be doing over the coming week. So again, if you want to get some tips on what blue chips we're going to be picking up, you can go and join the members club. But then also, you know, I'm going to be making some videos as well. So if you want to just stick to the channel, you guys can do that as well. The reason why it is so hard for so many people to make money in crypto is because of the fear and disbelief phases that do come in a bull run, guys. Now we open this up, and look, you don't want to be one of these people who panic sell. And I shared this with you guys not too long ago, and we were probably more towards up here. Now we're at this bottom range. People are going to say, right, the bull run's over. I'm getting comments in my comment section saying we're going to 40k. Okay, doesn't really make a difference to me, guys, because down here I was getting comments saying we're going to 10k. I know many of you guys have heard me say that before, but all these 40k FUD comments, they, you know, if you want to get fudded out at this point of the market when we haven't even lost key structure, then when we don't lose key structure and we start to have a rally up again, you're going to be on the side where you're missing out on these rallies. You haven't topped up in key points of the market to be making you life-changing wealth. Many alts are presenting, like, even the blue chips are presenting like 5 to 10, 15x returns from where we are on these corrections, guys. Now, when we come and we check out the DXY, look, we're coming back up to a major area of supply, which is amazing because, as many of you guys know, the DXY does inverse with Bitcoin and with crypto in general. So if we can start to break down for the DXY and we get rejected at this 106 level here, that's going to be great because that is going to indicate our next alt season. And last time we were around here, it actually did mark a bottom for crypto in the macro scale, guys. Again, something I showed all the ICP guys in yesterday's video. I mean, look at this. Looks like the correction is about to end. The Gaussian is flipping green again, and now it looks like the total altcoin market cap is ready to have our rally up into the new all-time highs, guys. Okay, so this is looking very tasty. And another thing to track as well, guys, I mean, we're going to be looking at this pretty much every day, but we are edging so close to the ETHBTC pair breaking out. And once it does break out, guys, that is going to be the next leg for altcoins. So right now I'm starting to see a lot of people fearful. People are leaving the market, and this always happens just before we have our next breakout. Maybe it might be painful for the next week, the next 2 weeks. We bleed even more. Bitcoin does go sub 60. and then everyone says, right, I'm going to sell my position because we're going to go to 50 or we're going to go to sub 50, and then we don't. We break out of here, have our retest and go. Everybody will play catch up. That is usually what happens in the market. But when we go and we check out JASMY, I said to you, we're going to be looking for longs around this range. Now, Bitcoin is still above 60. So I'm going to be waiting to see if we do break below 60k, if we get our 59k like we've been looking for, do we start to push down to that 2.5 cents, guys? And if we do start to push down to that 2.5 cents, that is going to be in line with our breakout retest, which is going to be fantastic. So right now we are in a long zone. However, Bitcoin hasn't gone as low as I would like it to go to be starting to pick up like leverage longs for JASMY. So hopefully, if we do start to bleed out, and I say hopefully, guys, because it's going to present amazing opportunities. If we can long down here rather than longing up here, we're going to be getting like way more returns, guys. Like the returns are going to be immense. So right now we need to just stay patient, stay chill. We're going to be looking at some more blue chips to be picking up alongside JASMY. But again, if you're not in JASMY, maybe you haven't got a position, now would be the time that I would start to say, right, I'm going to start to DCA from here and DCA lower, maybe all the way down to that 2 cent region, guys. So that's it. That's just a quick one on JASMY. Let me know your thoughts. If you got this far, please pause the video, smash that like button, drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, guys.